Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Okay, let's start with open the labels. I'm sorry for having that big knife. Oh, you. Ah, dangerous. So first of all, we have here the little box with the instructions, but just menu is how to insert a SIM card and so on. So just very basic. So quick start guide. It looks big, but it's in many languages. So don't expect too many, but it's normal at smartphones. Okay, so have a look next. Then we will have here the phone. Ooh. It's big. So I have the black version here, by the way. With the quad cam here at the back and the fingerprint sensor, and it looks very nice. So then we will have here the SIM ejection tool to remove the SIM tray. We have a headset included with an audio jack here on the phone. We have a USB Type-C cable. Important if you want to buy a new one, a second one. Huh? And we have here the power charging adapter. Which one supports fast charging, by the way. Yeah, that was the quick unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A21s. I hope I could show you what's included and so on. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos. If you are interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.